Hello everyone, welcome to another video series of class 6 in which today we are going to discuss the fourth chapter of your science book, that is sorting materials into groups. As you can see here that objects around us are made up of large varieties of materials. Different types of materials having different properties. So have you ever wondered that why there is a need of differentiating these materials into different groups according to their properties? So we will understand why there is a need of grouping these materials into different categories. So grouping materials make convenience for studying their properties and also save our time, energy and makes our study easier. Materials are differentiated into groups on the basis of their properties, which includes hardness or softness, soluble or insoluble, heaviness or lightness, appearance and transparency. Now let's see all these in more detail. At first, we will see appearance. So on the basis of their appearance, all the materials are classified into two groups. First one is material having luster or shiny appearance. Second one is material having no luster or dull appearance. So the example of shiny appearance material is gold, silver and copper. And the example of dull appearance material is wood, paper and plastic. Now the second one is hardness or softness. On the basis of their hardness or softness, the material can be divided into two groups. The first one is those materials which cannot be easily compressed, cut, molded or scratched are called hard materials. Example: iron, steel, wood. The second one is those materials which can be easily compressed, cut, molded or scratched are called soft materials. Example: sponge, wool, cotton. Now the next one is soluble or insoluble. On the basis of their solubility, materials can be classified into two groups. First one is materials which are soluble in water. Example: sugar and salt. Second one is materials which are insoluble in water. Example: oil and plastic. Now the second one is heaviness or lightness with respect to water. On the basis of their density, materials can be classified into two groups. First is materials which are heavier than water, sink in water. Example: iron, gold and stone. Second is materials which are lighter than water, floats on water. Example: wood, plastic. Transparency. So materials are classified into three groups, which are transparent material, translucent material and opaque material. Those materials through which we can see clearly are called transparent material. Example: glass and polythene. And those materials through which we cannot see clearly are called translucent material. Translucent materials are semi-transparent. Example: oiled paper and tissue paper. Next one is opaque material. Those material through which we cannot see at all are called opaque material. Example: wood and bricks. Now from this picture you can also clear your concept about transparency. As you can see that in opaque nothing is visible to us, but in translucent it's slightly visible, whereas It's totally clear view in transparent. So this is an overview of this chapter, sorting materials into group, and I hope you all understand it very well. So see you soon in the next video tutorial.